Africa, Chapter 8. The dark continent Africa is the second largest continent of the world. It consists of 53 countries. The equator passes through the middle of Africa. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 north, is passing through the northern part of the continent, and the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 south, is passing through the southern part of the continent. It is the only continent through which three important latitudes 0 degree, 23.5 north, and 23.5 south pass through. The Strait of Gibraltar on the northwest separating Africa from Europe. The Isthmus of Suez connected Asia and Africa in the northeast in the past. But now it has become Suez Canal, which connects the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. To the north lies the vast desert of Sahara, and towards south Kalahari Desert. The major part of Africa is a plateau composed of ancient rocks, so it is referred to as a plateau continent. The plateau is as old as the Brazilian plateau and the western plateau of Australia, and is made up of same types of rocks. Towards the coast, these plateaus descend in the form of steps called karus. Physical features of Africa. The Atlas Mountains of the Northwest. The Atlas Mountains lie in the northwestern part of Africa and belong to the Young-Fold mountain system. The low plateau of Central Africa. This plateau extends from the Atlantic coast in the west to the Nile Valley. The Sahara Desert also forms a part of the plateau. The plateau and the mountains of the East and South Africa. The average height of the plateau is above 2000 meters. Many lakes and block mountains have originated here. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa. It remains snow-covered throughout the year. The Rift Valley of Africa. A notable feature of the eastern plateau is deep and wide trenches which are called rift valleys. The Rift Valley of Africa extends from the Lake Malawi through the Red Sea and Gulf of Aqaba to the Dead Sea. Victoria Lake is the third largest lake in the world. The source of the Nile River is situated here. The coastal lowlands and islands of Africa. Coastal lowlands are mainly found along the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, which are comparatively wider. Narrow river basins are found in the Zaire Basin, the Zambezi Basin, the Orange River Basin, the Niger Basin, and the Nile Basin. Main islands of Africa are Madagascar, Zanzibar, and Pemba in the Indian Ocean near the continent. The drainage system of Africa. The rivers of Africa have special features as compared to the rivers of other continents. Most of them flow over the plateau in their upper course and they are navigable, but they drop down to their lower courses as they reach the coastal plain in the form of waterfalls and rapids. The Nile. It is the most important river of Africa and is the longest river in the world. The agricultural and economic prospects of Egypt depend on the Nile. The Nile is providing irrigation water, industrial water, hydroelectricity, helping navigation, supplying drinking water. That is why Egypt is called the gift of the Nile. The Zaire is the second longest river of Africa. The Niger is the third longest river of Africa. The Zambezi is coming out from the southern highlands, flows long distance towards east and falls into the Mozambique Channel. This river is a rain-fed river. The Victoria Falls is situated on this river. The Senegal is also coming out from the Fouta Djallon highlands of the west, flows towards west and falls into the North Atlantic Ocean. The Limpopo is coming out from the southern highlands, flows towards southeast and falls into the Indian Ocean. Ghana is an important producer of cocoa in the world. Ghana is located in Western Africa along the Gulf of Guinea. Ghana is the world's largest producer of cocoa. Cocoa cultivation is concentrated mainly in the Cocoa Triangle formed by three towns, Accra, Kumasi, and Takoradi. Climatic condition and soil. Hot and wet climate is suitable for the production of cocoa. Temperature needs to be 27 degrees Celsius and rainfall 150 centimeter and above is good for cocoa cultivation. Cocoa plants need well-drained porous soil and a shelter from strong winds and direct light. Plenty of cheap and skilled labor is required for cocoa plantation. Methods of cocoa harvesting. Harvesting time or season is from September to January. Generally, harvesting of cocoa pods begins in the morning. The required pods are picked carefully by hand pickers. With the help of a sharp knife, the pods are split open carefully. Each pod contains 30 to 40 small seeds. The cocoa harvesting requires a large number of manual laborers. The sticky pulp is taken out and placed in heaps on the ground. These are usually covered with the banana leaves. Uses of cocoa beans and cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is mixed with chocolate liquor to form the basic ingredients for chocolates. Chocolate powder is used for making cakes and sauces. Cocoa bean shells can be used as soil conditioner. Animal feed is prepared from cocoa husk. Cocoa export. Cocoa is also known as the black gold of Ghana. Biggest customer is the USA, followed by Germany, Netherlands, and United Kingdom. Other countries importing cocoa are Switzerland and Belgium. Cocoa is the most important cash crop of Ghana and it is the major foreign exchange earning crop. It provides employment to more than 500,000 people of the country. Thank you.